Classrippers, setelah 14 jam terbang dari Indonesia, akhirnya gue sampai juga di Eropa, khususnya Yunani. Yunani pada tahun 2004 berpenduduk sekitar 11 juta orang, dengan sepertiga penduduk besarnya tinggal di Athena. Kurang dari 15% penduduknya tinggal di pulau. Ini dia nih, tempat yang gue lagi janjian teman-teman sama gue tuh, si Starfos. Namanya, kalau nggak salah sebut lagi nih, Classrippers Ginger Ale. Lucu ya namanya ya. Tapi di mana ya temen gue tuh, si Starfos? Oh my God, long time no see. Nice to see you. I'm alright, but it's thank you, but it's so cold though. It's always like this.
Let's go inside and have a drink.
Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, we just talk. I'm just gonna actually ask about the raining pleasures, and then on Thursday, because we're just gonna put this on VO.
It's gonna be a great day Thursday.
Yeah, okay. And you're the manager as my friend. Ooh, I know a manager from Athens. That is really nice. From Indonesia. So on Thursday, we'll meet the raining pleasures, and then also you'll try your other two bands, right? I'm just repeating all my questions that I just asked you.
Hello Indonesia, we're from Athens. Keep on watching Class Trip.
Akhirnya sampai juga gue di Kitaro Club, yang dimana malam ini gue punya kesempatan yang sangat brilian. Kenapa? Karena gue akan mewawancarai salah satu band yang cukup terkenal di Greece, yaitu The Raining Pleasures. You guys really want to know, right? Because I really want to know. So, let's wrap it out. Yo, what's up, Classrippers? How you guys doing? Still good, right? Oke, masih di Athens. Dan sekarang gue lagi bersama salah satu grup band yang sangat famous di sini, yaitu The Raining Pleasures. Pastinya you guys want to know dong, karena gue juga pengen banget, udah gak sabar pengen ngobrol-ngobrol sama mereka. Gimana kalau kita langsung aja say hello to The Raining Pleasures? Ini dia.
Hello.
I am Vasilikos and I'm a singer and I play some guitars.
I am Jeremy and I play guitars.
Hi, I'm Sagis and play bass.
I'm Jay and play drums.
Oh my God!
We are Raining Pleasure. We said that, didn't we?
All right, guys. Let me just, it's really good, to have the opportunity to meeting you guys finally, and then have the chance to talk to you in person. All right. Let me just start with the name of the Raining Pleasures. Is there any special meaning for it? Maybe the vocalist Vasilikos. You could share that with the Indonesian viewers.
Well, actually, it's a title of a song that we used to like very much when we started the band.
Okay.
It's a song of the Triffids, an Australian pop band.
Okay.
And we thought it'd be nice to have that name because we love rain, we love pleasure, of course.
Of course.
And so Raining Pleasure suited us, so we decided that that should be our name.
Alright, aduh, artinya itu yang nggak tahan, bagus sekali ya. Alright, and then tell me about your latest album. What is it called? Something with the Juliet, right?
Yeah, it's called Who's Gonna Tell Juliet?
Who's gonna tell Juliet? And I'm the Juliet. Oh, I wish.
So who's gonna tell you?
Juliet.
We have to find someone tonight.
Okay.
To tell you.
Oh, that'll be nice. Is there any special meaning for it as well, or?
Well, actually, Juliet finds out that she didn't need to die.
Oh. Okay. We're surprising, isn't it? Ternyata, and then so on.
Actually,
Okay.
it's a an extra surreal version of the classical theme about Romeo and Juliet.
Okay. There
We
it is.
changed it a bit.
Mhm.
Yeah, and it came out to be a song that we don't really understand what it means, but we like the way it sounds.
Okay.
So yeah, we decided
Okay,
we
it's-
should. Yeah.
Make it. You guys should. So meaning, is there one of you guys who wrote it, or who's wrote the lyric?
I write the lyrics.
See, pantesan aja mereka memilih itu. Secara yang nulis lirik itu adalah the vocalistnya ini, Vasilikos namanya.
I hope that was good.
Of course,
Okay.
yeah. Don't worry about it. No, actually, I'm just kidding. All right, and then what is the kind of the music that you guys actually playing? I mean,
Well, that's been always very hard to answer because, because we don't know. But to someone who hasn't ever heard what we do, I think it would sound like pop compositions arranged in a rock way,
all right.
something like that.
And then about the listener, is this most of the people who like, I mean, your music, is it the youngsters or mix with others?
I think it's a mix because we
You
have
also that.
we have fans of at the age of 15.
Oh.
They write to us,
Oh,
and
okay.
even people write to us. People are in their 40s or something.
Wow.
So it's
Wow.
quite a wide range.
Wow, it's very interesting. Jadi ternyata penggemar mereka, fans mereka itu bukan hanya the youngsters gitu, anak-anak juga ada sampai bahkan orang-orang yang sudah berumur. Interesting kan? And it's good though. Have you guys ever been to Indonesia?
Unfortunately not. Us too, we've been to Japan and to Singapore quite a few years ago, like 10 years ago or something.
Oh, it's pretty close, yeah. If you guys wanted to?
Of course! Indonesia, here we come. Soon enough, I hope.
All right, guys, thank you so much. You know, I had a really good time now, you know, even though I cannot ask so many questions because, well, I guess the Indonesian
Well,
viewers
we have to go on stage soon,
Yeah, and then
so-
they're gonna start to sing. So, all right, class fevers, trip fevers, I meant. Mereka harus nyanyi sekarang, jadi gue mau juga menikmati mereka punya musik. Jadi jangan kemana-mana. Keep on watching Class Trip only with me dong, and other one, of course. And you guys see you later.
We are raining pleasure from Greece and keep watching Class Trip.
Ternyata keren juga aksi panggung dan lagu-lagunya. Aduh, Class Trippers. Dan mereka itu sangat berbakat. Well, nggak bisa lama-lama di dalam klub ini karena besok pagi masih banyak lagi tujuan gue di kota ini. So, see you guys on the next episode, Class Trip with me, Andio.